everyone, today our group topic is on comparison between two solar cookers. As solar cooker uses the renewable and emission-free energy from the sunlight, it does not have any negative environmental impact. Thus, it is considered as eco-friendly materials, which means it does not produce any air pollutions and it helps us to protect the natural resources such as wood and fuel from exhausting. Solar cooker uses the sunlight as a source of heat for cooking foodstuff and it is very simple to use as well.
Hello everyone, so today I'll be sharing some of the reasons why we chose our topic. Our topic is the comparison between parabolic dish and box type solar cooker. So first we all were very curious that which one may cook faster and which needs more energy to cook. But at the same time we want poor peoples to avoid expenses on expensive fuels and so that they can buy other basic needs. And also it avoids air pollution and helps to slow down deforestation and desertification. And also the foods cooked in solar cooker are more nutritious and it's good for our health. And we can choose solar cooker in every shapes as per our family. Thank you.
Hello everyone, so today I'll be talking about scientific principle involved in box type solar cooker. Firstly, I will tell you about how does a box type solar cooker traps heat. Solar cooker needs to trap heat in order to work effectively. It is used to cook food, purify water, etc. And the box type solar cooker, its box shape is very good at trapping heat. This is an outside reflecting lid. It concentrates the rays. This is a glass lid that traps the heat and uses the greenhouse effect. It has a black bottom inside that converts light to heat energy. It also has reflective internal walls to concentrate the rays. It has insulated sides and bottom to trap heat. Secondly, I will talk about heating principles of box type solar cooker. First, heat gain. It has three factors. Greenhouse effect. When the visible light passes through the glass, it is absorbed by the black pot and the black surface. Then it is converted into longer wavelength heat energy so that the radiant energy cannot pass back out through the glass. Therefore, it is trapped inside the enclosed space. Glass orientation. The more directly the glass faces the sun, the greater the solar heat gains. Reflectors for additional solar gain. Single or multiple reflectors bounce additional sunlight through the glass into the solar box, which results in higher cooker temperatures. Second, heat loss. It has also three factors. Heat within the solar box is lost when it travels through the molecules of tin foil, glasses, cardboard, air, and insulations to the air outside of the box. Radiation. Utensils and food within a solar box cooker radiate heat to their surroundings. The radiant heat is reflected from the foil and glass back to the pot and bottom tray in the solar cooker. Some dust escape directly through the glassing, but glass traps radiant heat better than the sum of the plastics. Convection. Heated air molecules within the solar box cooker escape through the cracks and top lid construction imperfections. Cooler air from outside of the box enters through these openings. Third, heat storage. As the density and weight of the materials within the solar box cooker increase, the capacity of box to hold heat increases. Therefore, it takes longer time to heat up. These dense materials charged with heat will radiate the heat within the box, keeping it warm for a long period.
Today I'm gonna describe the working and the structure of box type solar cooker. As we all know that the black color or black surface absorb more heat than the white color or white surface, so we painted the inner wall and the bottom of the box a pit black to increase the absorption of heat, and we also put a thick transparent glasses on top of the box to block the air to come inside or to go outside of the box, and these thick transparent glasses allow the infrared rays to come inside the box. So some of these infrared rays get absorbed by the black surface and the black surface start becoming hot. But after some times, when the black surface start becoming hot, the heat radiant try to escape in the form of infrared ray out of the box. But the thick transparent glasses on top of the box blocks the infrared ray to go outside of the box and keep it inside it. So this is how heat stays in a solar cooker.
Hello everyone. So today I am going to explain about parabolic dish solar cooker. Parabolic dish solar concentrates two-axis solar tracking systems that concentrate solar radiation toward thermal receiver located on the focal point of dish collector. Sunlight is concentrated on a single point. The solar dish in paraboloid shape collect incoming solar energy from the sun. The collected solar energy is then focused by a small focal point positioned in front of the dish. So now I am going to tell you about some points of scientific principles involved in it. The parabolic solo cooker works on the principle of the concentration of sun rays. Solo cookers utilize the simple principles of reflection, concentration, absorption, and greenhouse effect to convert sunlight to heat. The steps involved in the solo cooker are concentrating, capturing, and converting the solar energy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, so today I'm going to explain you about the working of a parabolic dish solar cooker. So a parabolic dish solar cooker usually consists of a parabolic shaped reflector, in which our case we have an satellite dish and which is covered in aluminum foil. So when a sunlight directly hits a parabolic shaped reflector, it converges all the light to a certain point where the heat is generated, and that point is also known as the focus point, and it is where we put the vessels to cook. Since we want the sunlight to be directly falling onto the parabolic dish, so we have to control over the two axes of the solar cooker. So the first axis is from here to here, and while the second axis is to move it this way. So the nail at the center of the parabolic shaped reflector help us adjust the parabolic shaped reflector in a way that the sunlight directly hits it. Thank you.
So today I'm going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of solar cooker. Advantages. It is a renewable energy. It can save much more fuels and firewoods. Disadvantages. It is not continuous. It cannot be performed on a rainy day or a cloudy day, and it takes much more time to cook. Box type solar cooker advantages. It can use both direct or diffuse radiation. Disadvantages. Widely divergent thermal performance. Parabolic dish can achieve high temperature or high efficiency. And disadvantages, if you don't set it up on a right angle, it can affect our eyes. Thank you.
Hello everybody, so today I would like to share you some applications of the solar cookers. So solar cookers are used in many regions of the world, and also in China and India. Many people uses the solar cookers. So what are the uses of solar cookers? So through solar cookers you can cook food, or you can bake in it, or you can purify water in it, or if you are a doctor or a nurse or working in a hospital, you can also sterilize your medical appliances through it. And lastly, I would like to share you some of my feelings during this project, and it was a really great journey for me, and I got a lot of things to learn. Like right now, our teammates are all at different places and having some COVID problems through it, and having lockdown here and there. But we did a great teamwork that this time, and I would really like to thank our science teacher for supporting study, and you know, this was a great journey for me, and it's my first time doing some kind of things like this, and you know, I'm really happy, I'm really glad, and thank you all of my teammates and my science teachers and all the science team. Thank you everybody.